This is a hurricane lane update from Shaka Farms. Thursday, August 23rd at 8 a.m. Over the past 12 hours, we received close to 16 inches of rain. There is currently no mandatory evacuations. Residents are advised to stay indoors and avoid areas of flooding. Thank you and aloha.
Got a small calm in the storm. A lot of water on the ground here. Some of these mulch rings are, we got a river flowing. Through the rock wall, under the ohia. Back here, river's flowing at a good pace. A lot of water. Come down the Shaka Farms River. Wow, it's really flowing. Wow, this river's heading under the lychee. Wow. Crazy. Holy moly. Down here the river's flowing at a pretty good rate under the lychee. Out this side, here we're about a good foot deep. You can see I'm deep. It's a lot of water. Thankfully I just mowed here. It's flowing off this way. Wow. Heavy flow. Down here through the garden. Wow. Total river. I'll go up that way in a minute. This is where all the water's flowing down and out. Wow. This is crazy. Another foot deep river. Up here under the breadfruit. We're gonna lose a lot of fertilizer. Terminating out this way. Duke and I are down here at the bottom of the property where the river's terminating, at least going through the next property. Full on flowing here under the big breadfruit. The rest of the orchard up this way is pretty dry or not ponding. I'm gonna walk up this river, up the side of the property. Duke, hey, come here, come here, come here, come here. Good boy. Okay, good boy. All right, up the river. This is definitely flowing too. Real good from the top of the property. Woo! Foot deep here. Pretty good flow. This is another serious ponding section. Oh yeah, deep right here, over a foot deep. Major water. Water from the top side is all kind of bending through here, catching the river. Just completely washed away my mulch rings around my kupuasu and my new Emperor light tea right here. I had good solid like 2-foot mulch rings gone. All the mulch is in the water, flown away.